Feeding Wild Birds by Ellen Muldoon, illustrated by Denise and Fernando. On mild summer days, wild birds find seeds and other things to eat. In winter, the days aren't mild. It may be snowy and icy. How can I help? I make bird feeders. Mom and Dad don't mind helping. They like birds too. We make the bird feeders out of all kinds of things. This kind is made from the peel or rind of some fruit. After I finish the fruit, I fill the rind with seeds and peanut butter. The birds love it. The fruit makes a good snack, too. Hi, wild birds. We are all glad you can find some good things to eat.